people, Kevin Thailand here, just quickly making this little vlog to thank Alco02. I put a couple of films on a month ago, test the water, have a look, ask for feedback, share, subscribe. 454 views later on day to night transition of Walking Street, nothing. And then on Sunday I get an email from YouTube, and Alco02 says thanks mate for uploading and sharing. Well, it took a month, 455 views, and it made my day. And I'm doing this to thank him and to let you know it takes time and effort, and when you get nothing you think, well, why? And that one message connected me with somebody and made me feel so much better. It was worthwhile. It was worthwhile. And just for that. And this is just a quick little vlog to thank Alco02 and to thank anyone that watches mine. I'll be doing a lot more. I'm putting a day trip video on this week that I went out on. Took the drone out for the first time just to get used to it. I've took it out twice practicing. I've had it repaired twice, but yesterday there was no mishaps, thank God, because I was over a lake. And hopefully it'll go well. And it was a good day. I had a smashing day. I can't wait to get it sorted and put on. But I will be doing a lot more vlogs, a lot more in the area, a lot more of these, and I just hope that people will have a look and subscribe and share and like and leave comments. Comments are so important, good or bad. Good better, but bad. It lets me know what you like, what you don't like, what you want. It's very difficult. I live in Pattaya, it's a beautiful place. I'm at my favourite spot at the moment, people watching, just having a coffee and a look around, and it's a little takeaway cafe, open 24 hours, and you can just sit here and look and watch and see what's happening. See what idiots are about, your view, not only me. And it's lovely, the weather's great. Had a couple of cold days, a couple of weeks ago and a couple this week. And it dropped to 22 degrees, and you may think, wow, 22. I'm sitting here in -3. But when you're used to 34, 35s, 22, 23's a big drop overnight, and I've been here 15 months now. Only came to get my teeth done. And I stayed while it was being done. It took 7 months, finished last July, and I thought, you know what, I can't face going back. Back to the UK, back to London, back to Peterborough, where I left there to come here. I couldn't afford to live in London anymore. I came out here mainly to get my teeth done, implants on the top, have them sorted out. And when it finished in July, I thought I'll give it a couple of 3 months, make sure everything's okay and settled. And they went, and I thought, well, maybe another couple just in case. And it was all excuses not to leave. and I've decided to stay. I'm sorting out, and I ain't going back. I'm staying here. It's beautiful, it's lovely, it's cheap to live, cheap to eat. Rentals are pennies, not pennies, but a quarter the price of the UK or anywhere in the UK. And the people are great. It's a smashing place to be. And I hope to see you here, and I hope to show you more of it, and a lot more of the people and the places. And hopefully, we'll get to know each other, and you can message me and I'll reply, always reply. And just build a really nice rapport with people out there. If you want to come to Pattaya, I'll be pleased to meet you, show you around, and show you the places to go, things you can do. It's not all girls, it's not all girls, it's not all beer. But the girls and the beer help. But there's so much more to Pattaya. It's been portrayed. Meow cup. That's people trying to sell you stuff. If you say meow cup, it means I don't want it. So just think of the cat and say meow cup, and they will walk away and leave you alone. It's a good little phrase to know, because you use it a lot. Boy, you use it a lot. But I just hope this gets out and I can get some likes, thumbs up, thumbs down, shares, subscribe, and we can have many years here together enjoying Pattaya. Thank you for viewing. Like I say, please like, share, subscribe, thumbs up or down, it doesn't matter. Comment. If you want a thumbs down, give me a comment. Let me know why. Why is always a good thing, so that we can get better and learn and get something to do like. This may not be it, obviously. I'm just introducing myself. Kevin Thailand. And let's have some good times. Yeah, have some good, that's bad times. Why not? Why not? But hopefully mainly good times. So I do hope to see you all, and I do hope to get some subscribers. Meow cut. Yeah, another one. Only been a few minutes. And see how we get on together. And like I say, I'd love to hear from you, and I'd love to meet you and show you around if you ever come to Pattaya and it's your first time, you'd like to know more about the place, then I can show you quite a bit. So spread the word, like, share, subscribe, please subscribe. It keeps us going. The fact that someone looked at it keeps us going to do it, to get up every day and go out and find it for you. Whatever you like, we will find it for you. I will find it for you. Questions, answers, I'll answer everything, and we'll have a nice time. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all soon. Thank you very much.